Hey, Scotty here from Scotty's Hobbies. So a couple years ago, determined that we needed a new furnace. There was no way I was replacing it with another oil-fired furnace. So, with a lot of research, finding the right company, this was the setup decided on. So for the main floor, we're running this PUZ HA36 NHA5 that runs to a PVA 36 inside. It ties into the existing ductwork for the main floor and the basement. Over here, Mitsubishi H2i Hyperheat MXZ 3C30 NAHZ2 running to individual units in each bedroom on the top floor. As you can see, they're pretty quiet. That's just maintaining some air conditioning. It's actually not that hot out today, but we got them on. I'll show you what's powering these suckers. Let's take a walk back here. It's almost 5:30 p.m. here. And we're just catching a little sun. The rest of the sun on the edge of these panels. 55 panels. The back of the roof, back of the garage, and the front of the garage. And it should be enough to cover all of the electricity in the house, which is our heat, our AC, and electricity for everything. So let's go inside and check out the indoor units. Can't forget about the grill. Got some chicken going. Unfinished section, oil tank gone. This is the PVA commercial unit, paired up to that PUZ outside, so that way you can just run one unit off of the PVA, the outdoor unit. I'm sorry, PUZ outdoor unit. Otherwise, the residential model, you have to have a second unit tied in, which I didn't need. So we went with this commercial, tied in nicely to the existing ductwork. We added another return vent. Did the air sealing, duct sealing service for more efficiency, higher efficiency. Working out great. We'll head upstairs and I'll show you the MLZ units that are in the bedrooms. Okay, so here we are upstairs, the bedroom. We had installed one of these MLZ ceiling cassette units in each bedroom, because every company we had come out told us we'd never get AC up to the second floor from our existing ductwork. Ductwork was just too small. So we decided on these units in each bedroom, and they've been working out great. Individual control. And just installed, I just got these from eBay, and that'll be another video on the installation. And there's actually a modification you can do to get the fan to turn off after you reach the set temperature in cool mode to prevent humidity buildup in the room. does very well in here. Yeah, can't complain right now. But that's our setup. Our heat and AC works great. Check back, see what else I have going on. Scotty's Hobbies. Thanks.